We've made over $300,000 this year alone with affiliate marketing, and in this video, I am going to teach you everything we know in just under 10 minutes, so that you can start making money today. 1. What is affiliate marketing? First of all, let me explain what affiliate marketing actually is. Basically, affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products or services and get a commission for every sale that you make. So, you don't actually have to create your own product or service. You just need to find something that you can promote. For example, if I wanted to sell a t-shirt, I could make my own t-shirt and then try to sell it online. But instead, what I can do is find a company that already makes t-shirts. Like let's say this t-shirt company, and then try to promote their t-shirts to people. If I'm able to get people to click on the link and buy the t-shirt, then I'll get a commission for that sale. 2. How does affiliate marketing work? Now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, let me explain how it actually works. So, there are 3 main parts to affiliate marketing: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. The merchant is the person or business that is selling the product or service. For example, if I wanted to sell t-shirts, I would be the merchant because I'm the one selling the product. Next, we have the affiliate. This is the person who is promoting the product or service to customers. So, in our example, you would be the affiliate because you're promoting our t-shirts to customers. And finally, we have the customer. They are the ones who buy the product or service from us. So, how does affiliate marketing work exactly? Well, when a customer clicks on your affiliate link and buys something, you'll get a commission. The amount of commission you earn will depend on the price of the product or service and the commission rate that the merchant is offering. So, for example, if we're selling t-shirts for $20 each, and we're offering a 10% commission rate, then you would earn $2 for every t-shirt that you sell. 3. How can you start affiliate marketing? Now that you understand how affiliate marketing works, let me show you how you can get started today. The first thing you need to do is find a good product or service to promote. You want to find something that people are interested in and that you can make a good commission on. Once you find a product or service that you want to promote, you need to find an affiliate program that you can join. There are many different affiliate programs out there, but in this video, I'm going to focus on one specific platform that we use ourselves. It is completely free to join and you can promote products from some of the biggest brands in the world. After you've joined the program, you need to create content that promotes the product or service that you're signed up to. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even emails. Finally, you need to make sure that you rate tracking your results so that you can see what is working and what is not working. This way you can keep improving and making more money. 4. What are some tips for success? Now that you know how to get started with affiliate marketing, let me share some tips for success. First of all, make sure that you're promoting products that you believe in. This will make it easier for you to create content that people will actually want to watch. Next, make sure that you're targeting the right audience. If you're promoting a product that's for women, for example, you want to make sure that you're reaching women who are interested in buying that product. Finally, make sure that you're being patient. Affiliate marketing takes time to build up, but if you stick with it, you can definitely be successful. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about affiliate marketing, we've got a full course coming out next month that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing to start making some real money.